Hi folks, today I'm not going to show you a car, I will show you a huge ship. It's a cruise ship, MSC World Europa. Yes, it's not a car, it's a huge ship, it's a cruise ship, it's the biggest in the fleet for MSC and the 8th biggest in the world. The world class, this size, has been ordered 4 of them by MSC in 2016, and the next one, the World America, will come out in 2025. This huge ship is actually powered by LNG, which is saving more fuel and much better for the environmental. MSC World Europa was built in Saint-Nazaire, France, at the Chantiers de l'Atlantique shipyard, while the interior design was done by Swedish company YSA Design Company in 17 months. In April 2016, MSC Cruises unveiled its newest class of cruise ships, World Class, after signing a letter of intent at Élysée Palace for up to 4 world-class ships from STX France, worth only 4 billion euros. It was handed over in 14th of October 2022. A Y-shaped hull for expansive views and the G-shaped bow design for fuel efficiency and stability. The ship has 7 pools, 13 restaurants, including 6 specialty restaurants, including Michelin-starred chef Nicolas Exted chef's garden kitchen, 20 bars and lounges. It has 19 different cabin categories, 65% of them includes balcony. The Venom drop, the Spiral, which is from deck 20 till deck 8, is the largest drop on the sea on dry slides. MSC Aura Spa is more than 1,000 square meters where you can get some leisure with jacuzzis, massage and everything which takes you relaxing and takes you off. 6,774 passengers, 2,138 crew, the total is 8,912 people. It has a public area of over 40,000 square meters. The length of the ship is 333 meters, the width is 47 meters, the total height is 77 meters and 15 centimeters, above the sea level is 68 meters, under the water is 9 meters and 15 cents. It weighs 215,863 tons. The world-class ships, such like Europa, is an LNG-powered ship. It has 28% less fuel consumption, so 255 kilogram less CO2 emissions per person per cruise. Sulfur dioxide emissions are reduced by 99%, nitrogen monoxide emissions by 85%, and carbon dioxide emissions by 20%. It incorporates a 50 kilowatt solid oxide fuel cell SOFC technology on board the ship and uses LNG to generate onboard electricity and heat. The technology of solid oxide fuel cell, the SOFC, operates at high temperature, typical 600 or 1000 Celsius, which enables higher efficiency and more favorable emission. Various fuel can be used, such as hydrogen, methane or biofuels. It includes the latest water treatment technology for wastewater treatment, as well as propellers designed for underwater noise for marine life. It has 5 engines, each has 14 cylinders and each cylinder is 960 liters. The system power is about 100 megawatts. At the back it drives with 2 6 meters 5-blade equivalents. It calls azipods, the type of electric propulsion system that improve the shipment's maneuverability and efficiency. It can rotate 360 degrees. Their maximum output is 2 times 25 megawatts. Both users, for better maneuverability at low speeds, such as when docking or navigating in tight spaces. It has 2000 or 3000 kilowatt per unit. Their depth is around 3 meters. There are 4 of the front and 3 in the back. The ship has 2 separate tanks. Each has 2200 cubic meters capacity. The maximum speed of the ship is 22.7 knots, which is 42 km per hour. This ship is registered to Valletta, Malta, such like most of the ships, most of the cruise ships, which are registered in Malta or in Nassau, Bahamas, or Georgetown in Bermuda. There is plenty of things to do with the kids as well. They have basketball courts, a lot of arcades. They have water slides and dry slides. So the kids will have fun for sure. Once you are on board, you won't see them till end of the cruise, and you will have fun time too. You can select many restaurants. There are buffets too, where almost 24/7 you can go there. The burger one is on deck 6, which is from 12 till 2 o'clock in the morning, and it's great hamburgers you can have there, or chicken wings, even red wines. And there are arcades too, so you can play Pac-Man, for example, which is one of my favorite too. If you want something special, you can choose some specialty restaurants, such like Fish Market. Great stuff, grilled stuff, fantastic, phenomenal. There is a coffee shop on the streets, on the walking streets, which is the World Promenade. And this is very unique in the cruise ship industry. It's really like a walking street with shops where you can buy a luxury watch, clothes, and so on. On deck 6, you can also walking inside in the ship with a 6, 7, and 8 deck with bunch of restaurants, shops, and coffee shops and chocolate also. If you are on board with kids, they have a daycare service, so you can do for your own a nice lunch, dinner, whatever you want to do.
This is a high-class cruise ship. The steak in the buffet, it's fantastic. You should try it. MSC is official partner of Formula 1, and you must try also the arcade. The simulator is fantastic. It's not just for the kids, it's for yourself too, to having fun. If you have any food sensitivity, just let the crew know about it and they will care about you in the restaurant, in the buffet also. If you're cruising in Europe and you're using internet, you don't need to use the ship's internet because it's not too fast and honestly it's quite expensive. But during the night when you are passing from port to port, from city to city, you are traveling very close to the port so you can catch some signals. The gym is well equipped, it's around 1000 square meters, it has weights, cardio equipment, and the view is just beautiful over the pool from the running machine. The atrium is the place where you want to be if the outside temperature drops down and it's quite chilly or cold. The temperature here normally 30-32 Celsius, the air temperature, and the pool and the jacuzzis are always hot. There are plenty different pools and jacuzzis. You will find some sunbeds, even there are more than 6000 people are on board. The pools in deck 19 in the back of the ship are normally quiet, so if you want to have some quiet time, just go there. There are coffee shops, tea houses on the promenade also, and you can walking through just like on the walking street till the end. And there you have a beautiful view when you're leaving a city.
If you get lost on the ship, don't worry, because there are plenty of information screens next to the elevators or all around. These are touch panel screens. You select the language, and then you can select the show, the restaurants, or the excursions. And by your cruise card, which is just a touch, you can book each. Each has informations when you go into such like excursions, how many hours, what's the price, and so on. Even I'm so far from Hungary, and I'm from Hungary, I can find on this ship 2 types of jeans from Budapest, from Hungary too. On the ship there is 20 different bars and lounges. This one has 2 decks, and this pub is, that's why it's my favorite, because they have their own brewery, which is here, and you can see them how they make the beers for you. Safety first, especially on board. We have 18 lifeboats, including 4 tender boats. The capacity of these boats are 446 people, and we are right now in the loading station, and they pull it over on the side of the cruise ship and they load it fully in an emergency case. Yes, as you count it well, the lifeboats and the tender boats are not enough to rescue all the passengers and crew from this ship in an emergency case. But next to me there are life rafts, 3 of them, and over there another 3, and on the other side also 6 of them. The capacity of this life raft is 474 persons, and once it's touched the water, this plastic capsules opens and blowing up with air. But one of the most important thing, the crew. They are here for 8 months, 6, 8 or 10 months, depending on their contracts. All of them are working hard, far away from their family. Give them a tip and they will smile more than before. They smile anyway, they are very kind and very nice. I do tip them each day, and these guys are making fantastic job. So don't forget about them, because they make your journey unforgettable. So this was the World Europa from my view, my perspective, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, push the like button, subscribe to our channel, and of course if you have any question regarding the World Europa or any other MSC cruise ship, put it in the comment below, I will answer it. Or if there will be plenty of questions about the same topic, I will make a separate video, of course, and I will try to help you to find your way for the best vacation what you can get. Thank you very much for your likes, subscribe to our channel, and have a good day.